The daily code snippet. The next property to go over is text decoration. Text decoration will add or remove available text decorations on your fonts like an underline. Here are the available values. None is the default and removes any text decorations already present. Overline adds a text overline. Underline adds an underline to the text. Line through adds a strike through over the text. The most common use of text decoration is to remove the default underline that is added to links. Text decoration can accept multiple values. So for example, you can add both an underline and an overline. Text decoration is actually a shorthand for text decoration line, text decoration style, and text decoration color. Let's look at some examples. Here is the HTML. We have created classes to represent each of the values available for text decoration. In the first example, we have created a link. We are removing the default underline and that is added. In the multiple option, we are adding both an overline and an underline. And in the shorthand option, we are adding a strike through that is a double line and will be blue in color. Here's the CSS, text decoration none. In this case, we aren't using a class called none because we use that for our text transform. So we have created instead a different class called .noline. For .multiple, you see that we are adding both an overline and an underline. And for .shorthand, you can see that we use line through to create the strike through, double to create a double line, and blue to change the color. And this is how it would all display. Presented by Designers Learn Code.